What's up, everybody? We have a special video for you today. Normally it's this guy that you're listening to on this channel, but today I'm putting Kade in the hot seat. So if you don't know me, my name's Adam. I'm usually the guy behind the camera for a lot of these videos. I know Kade, I like him, I think he's a good guy, but I don't know if I trust him yet, and I don't think you guys know either, unless you already know him. So I'm gonna put him on the spot. He has no idea what I'm about to ask him. A lot of these questions are stuff that you guys probably have, whether this is your first video watching him or whether you've been binging his content, you've been following him for months. Questions about him, what he does, why he's selling what he's selling. I'm not holding anything back. And without further ado, let's get into the video, and I'm gonna ask him question number one. Kade, what is the overarching reason that you are selling a mentorship program? Because a lot of people out there are gonna say, another guy selling courses, nice try, Diddy, but why are you actually doing this?
Yeah, that's funny. The first thing that people assume is like, oh, he can't make any money with TikTok Shop more. There's two real reasons behind it. Like for me, I've been doing TikTok Shop since February of 2024. I've told a lot of my students this, and they get to their point. I just had that conversation with Tyreek on his interview where he was like, TikTok Shop gets boring. He's like, I've been doing the same thing for 15 plus months now. It's like, it is repetitive. It gets to a point where I genuinely enjoy working with people, especially giving them that light bulb moment, which I kind of define as like the first $100 day, which Adam, he has had his first $100 and $200 day himself, actually, personally, which is funny. So helping people have that light bulb moment, it just kind of provides more of a variety within my day. But two, also just scale. At the end of the day, I am one person, right? So if I can have an impact and get paid to have an impact on many, many people, it's just a more scalable thing. That's just a business decision. Anybody who shies away from that, you know, that's just the honest truth behind I am one person that can only make so many videos. So it's more scalable for me because really what I've done is focused on building a system, and it's just how do you actually get students to apply that system. So it's more scalable, and just I genuinely enjoy doing it because it really breaks up my day. Like the first part of my day is my own TikTok Shop stuff, which I still do, which I still make money from, which I still do over $10,000 a month every single month, no matter what. But it just kind of provides a gap instead of me just making the videos all day because it gets really redundant, to be 100% honest.
Okay, fair enough. So I've got this next question for you, but you're not the only one that has a program like this. So how does this compare to other alternatives out there for people?
Yeah, so I always compare it to two things, right? You kind of have two categories within TikTok Shop and just programs in general. Like you have just general Discords, which again, for what it's worth, those are two very different things. You have the $30, $40, $50 a month Discords where there's thousands of people in it. That's more so just, hey, kind of figure it out. We have questions if you have it. And then you have other programs where they're more, mentorships, and you're trying to get individual support to get you to these higher levels. And it all comes down to truly the way that I do TikTok Shop, the way that every single person in this program, in my program, including Adam, does TikTok Shop is different than every single other person. I'm all about one product. I'm all about posting the same product over and over. You've heard me talk about the 15 video rule, and I can confidently say like me following this is what's allowed me to do 3 million GMV. Like I'm overall pretty smart. I'm not like a savant, some intelligent guy that knows everything. Like I'm just someone who stuck to a system, learned it, and now I'm able to teach that to other people. And the things that I teach, just principles on how to actually make your videos consistently, like the feedback that I truly get is like, this is the best information I have ever seen. It's because I do things differently, and the way that I structure my accounts, focus on data and analytics. It's just I truly have not seen anywhere else, and that's not a knock to anybody else or any other program out there. That's the truth.
All right, well, I said I was going to put him on the spot, so this is probably the most on-the-spot question I could have thought of. What's the success rate of people in the program? And for people, if they don't succeed or they don't hit their goals, what separates them from people who did succeed?
Yeah, and it comes down to one thing. Like I always tell everybody in the program, like everything that you could possibly need is in front of you. I mean, you've seen like the information, you have all the videos, you have all the analytics, you have access to me, you have access to message questions directly to people who have done well over 6 figures in profit on TikTok Shop, people who have done $30,000 months. You have direct access to ask questions. And the people that do well very quickly, I've had a vast number of people hit 5K their first full month in the program, 10K their first full month in the program. I have other people like Ashley, Tyreek, you've seen them on the channel. They've crossed over that 30K threshold in a single month because they're applying it, right? The only differentiator is only one thing, is if you actually take the information and post the videos. The big thing that I tell everybody is I always tell everybody, put your head down and post. We can give you all the information, which you will have. You will be put in all the right positions. We will hold your freaking hand, but we can't hit record and we can't hit post for you. So the people that get into it right away. They take it seriously and they're actually getting into it and giving it their full effort, whether you have a full-time job or not. And that is the only differentiator. Like, there has not been one single person who I can say has been putting in the actual effort and has not gotten to where they want to be. Even if it's just like a month, like you hit that first breaking point of $100, $200 days. And so genuinely the success rate is very high because it all comes down to the entire system's in front of you. Everything you could ever need is in front of you. It just comes down to the individual person to put the work in, which, unfortunately, that's not something I can do for each individual person. So as long as you have the work ethic, there's nothing holding you back from 10, 20K per month. And that's been proven by all the people that have gone through it.
All right. And so somebody who doesn't know what it's like to work with you at all, which is probably most people here, what does it actually look like on a week-to-week, day-to-day basis? Like, let's just say I'm in, I hire you, you're helping me, I'm in the program. What happens next?
So the one thing I'm always super upfront with people about is I will be very forward with people. I've had many, not quite uncomfortable, but conversations where it's like, hey, you told me your goal is $5,000 a month. You told me your goal is $10,000 a month. Your actions are not matching that. And a lot of people are like, I know. So I want everybody to be aware with where they're at, right, in terms of what they should be expecting based on the goals that they tell me. So in the beginning, it's going to be a lot more kind of questions in general. And so slowly what happens over time, I see this all the time, some of the other people that will be on the channel, like, Clay, there's many other people. It's like once they hit their first 10 to 15K month, they really don't ask that many questions because it's just, what you need to do. It just becomes doing it. So it's funny. Those first 4 weeks are really heavy with information, heavy with questions, heavy with calls. It's like I tell everybody, full expectation is within those first 4 weeks. If you apply the information and you actually you try for 4 straight weeks, you are going to basically know everything that you need to know. It just becomes about doing the work and, hey, asking for feedback based on that. So the first 4 weeks, very heavy, conversations every single week, should be conversations every single day. And then slowly over time, as people learn it, like, for example, Tyreek, he doesn't text me anymore. Danny, who's done 10K basically 2 months in a row, his first 2 months, he doesn't really text me any questions anymore because it's just the same thing over and over once you get that initial hump. But the beginning is very heavy with questions. If people, again, you got to ask the questions. If you ask the questions, you'll get the answer very quickly.
All right, big picture then. Is now even the right time to be looking into TikTok Shop? Isn't it going to get banned? Is something going to happen to it?
I hear that all the time, and I always tell everybody, think back to the time where the first ban was actually, now full transparency, the first ban, I was somewhat worried. I didn't even have this program at this point. I remember I was snowboarding, I was like, man, but at the end of the day, I learned the skills to actually be able to apply this. So even if TikTok did get banned, I wouldn't be worried about it. But again, it hasn't been banned once. It's not going to happen. There's so much money at stake on the table. It's just not going to happen. It's a worst case scenario. For some reason, something happens. I know some people are worried about, it's going to go to the new app. It's going to change. No matter what, there's going to be people that are ahead of the pack and behind the pack. And I can confidently say and as long as every single person that I'm working with will be ahead of the pack, no matter what that looks like. So even if the algorithm does change, you better believe I'm going to be the one in the front. And as well as the people that I work with, we're all going to be working together to figure out what it is to get to those upper levels, even if there's some random new app. So it doesn't worry me in the slightest because you're learning skills. And that's one of the biggest things I focus on in the program and the group is how do you learn the skills, not just copy. Why is it working? And how do you actually implement that for yourself, which is just direct response marketing skills, in a nutshell.
Okay. Can't I just kind of watch your YouTube and then figure this out on my own? Because you put out a lot of content. And should I try this on my own first before even considering getting a mentor?
It depends. Do you value your time or not? If you have a 9 to 5, if your goal is to make $5,000, $10,000 a month, right? The analogy sometimes I use when I talk to people is like, hey, if you knew that next month on TikTok Shop, you were going to make $5,000, would you pay a portion of that to make sure you earn $5,000? Ask yourself that question. I'm sure every single person is going to say yes. So then it becomes, okay, are you not confident in yourself or are you not confident in the program? The results are in the program. So it comes down to, are you not confident in yourself? Which, why wouldn't you be when you're going to have everything handed to you in terms of the information and what you need to do to succeed in general? So at the end of the day, you can get there. It took me about 10 months to hit my first 20K month because I sat by myself for months and months and months on end trying to figure out the exact specifics of this strategy. So can people figure it out? There's a lot of intelligent people watching this, but if you value your time and you're trying to get $5,000, $10,000 per month, why not expedite that process? So most of it's out there. If you want to figure out the specifics yourself, sure. But if you just want to pay for it in an instant and get help and actual feedback and help making these decisions, which is the difficult part, That's what this is for. It's just you're expediting your time frame, because again, we all know these opportunities do not last forever. You've had Amazon FBA drop shipping, right? We all know the people in the beginning, they were making a ton of the money, and we're still in its first really infancy stages of TikTok Shop.
How long does this take? Like, does this make sense if I have other stuff going on? Obviously, nobody's just full-time right off the bat, but like, how much time do you have to sink in to realistically hit a big number?
I'm always cautious of answering this question because I think everybody has the right intentions when they ask this question, but I'm always weary of digging and asking, okay, why are you asking this question? Are you asking this question out of laziness? Hey, what can I do to get the most amount of results in the least time as possible? Or is it, hey, I just want to make sure I can genuinely fit this into my schedule? So I'll give you a couple examples here. Most people in the program have a job, have kids, have something going on. And for myself personally, I did over $10,000 per month on TikTok Shop, 7 months in a row while having a full 9 to 5, while driving in, having all these other things, right? So it can be done. Now, in the beginning, it's going to be a bit more time intensive, but like me personally right now, I've gotten a lot quicker at this, but I'm running like around 6 TikTok Shop accounts right now. It takes me, I just timed it, I put this in the chat for the group the other day. It took me 3.5 hours from start to absolute finish, and that was for 18 TikTok Shop videos, right? So in the beginning, you want to do less, because in the beginning, it's more time spent learning, and then slowly it just becomes more time doing as opposed to learning. So realistically, like if you can confidently dedicate an hour and a half to 2 hours a day, there's no reason you can't get to $10,000 per month. Now, if you want to hit 20, you're gonna have to put a little more work in, obviously, but anywhere from 5 to 10K, even more depending on how good you are, there's no reason you can't do it in 2 hours a day. Seriously.
Okay. How do you actually help people pick products, and how much personalized feedback are they actually getting on the content that they make?
Yeah, really in depth, because again, I'm very analytical with everything. So one of the first things that I focus on with everybody in the program is getting you on the right products, right? Because I don't care if you're the best affiliate in the world. If you're on crappy products, you're just not going to make any money. Like, I would rather be the worst affiliate in the world on the best product in the world, as opposed to the best affiliate in the world on the worst product that you can possibly find. Like, it matters that much, right? So the very first thing I have people do is I literally have a 45-minute video just on product research, like on the specifics behind it, how you find all these different mechanisms, what are the trends, how do you find them, how do you read the data to pick these products? Because if you're not on the right products, you are just handicapping yourself all the time, right? So I have everybody do that before the first one-on-one call. And then during the first one-on-one call, the entire topic of the first call, every single time is going to be product research. So I have everybody find a couple examples based on that, 45-minute video. And we'll go through them. If they're bad, I say, no big deal. We'll go through and find some live. But the entire purpose is getting you on the right products. And most importantly, I always emphasize this on the first call, is you understand why I'm saying these things. So I'll make sure that you have really good products off the bat. Does that mean you're going to go viral and make a ton of money with them? Absolutely not. But it statistically increases your chances of going viral, because again, the name of the game is how do you find a product that makes you $10, $20, $30, $40, $50,000. That's where the real money is on TikTok Shop.
What's your end game with all this? Like, you keep getting students, you keep helping people. What's the future of TikTok Shop? What's the future of the program and the way that you help people? How do you see that playing out, not just in the next 6 to 12 months, but next 24, 36, 48 months?
Just really helping more and more people. I know that's the most cliche thing to say, like, oh, yeah, this guy, he's just here to help people. Like, I get paid well for it. I'm not shy away from that. But at the end of the day, the information that you teach is valuable, and it's really rewarding, just to hear some of these stories of people who have genuinely changed their life. I've had my life personally changed from investing in information. So it is really cool to see. Of course, the money is going to help with that. But at the end of the day, if you help people, Ashley talked about that. She paid off like $70,000 in debt. That is a real life-changing situation for herself and her family. Danny, quit a job. That is a real life-altering decision. It's just pretty cool to play a small part in that, for sure. But endgame for me is just, you really make a lot of money by getting good at something within a space, right? So if you learn, really what we're doing in a nutshell, TikTok Shop is just converting traffic, converting these people that are on these platforms into something, right? So it's products right now. It could be different softwares. I'll give you an example here. Danny just posted in the Discord that he got a $3,000 deal based on his TikTok Shop skills. $3,000 to promote a software. $3,000, which is just absurd, right? So the skills are transferable, but for me personally, is just keep scaling this and getting good at something in one particular thing. The last thing you want to do, anybody wants to do, is they shouldn't be hopping all over the place. You want to get in one niche, get really good at it, and then you're going to have all these opportunities stem from the initial opportunity, which was TikTok Shop. Now I'm also teaching people how to do it while still doing my own TikTok Shop and working on getting some of these brands up that I've helped start based on my skills, again, from TikTok Shop. So everything that I do is tied to this entire ecosystem. And people buying things on the internet, I always ask everybody two questions, right? Do you think when somebody says it's TikTok Shop tip, one, are people going to be more or less online in the next 10 years?
More.
Are people going to buy less things or more things online versus in person?
More.
That's it right there. That's the skill in a nutshell.
Do you see other shopping platforms coming about?
For sure. Social commerce as a whole, I think YouTube's going to play a bigger role in it, but all of it stems from, again, learning why. That's the biggest thing that I preach, in the program. I try to get across to everybody. I don't want to just teach you what to do. I want to teach you how you actually understand the reasoning and the mechanisms behind it. And that's how you can never go broke for the rest of your life, if you understand why people buy things and how to influence those decisions based on direct response marketing principles. So even if the traffic moves to Meta, you better believe every single person, I'm going to be one of the front runners to it and making a ton of money. But as of right now, TikTok Shop is killing it, and I don't see them shying away from the front runners anytime soon.
Last question, serious question. Is that really your grandma in that video, or is that a UGC actor?
That she's actually AI. That's not. That's a implanted agent from the deep web. That's AI. But yes, it is my actual grandma. She does TikTok Shop, and I get that question a lot. So, but yes, she's still doing TikTok Shop. She's doing well, and we actually have 2 accounts for her now. So, on average, I think GMV wise, like 40, 50K or something like that GMV on her account. So yes, it is my grandma, not a paid actor or an AI lip sync.
All right. Well, that's pretty much all I had for this guy. You can take that information and do with it what you will. I hope it was helpful. So does he. Tell them we'll see him in the next one.
We'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to apply, the link is in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.